This tutorial guides you through performing an advanced search to find author affiliation in SAE Mobilus. Click the Search button to open the search interface in SAE Mobilus. Once on the search screen, scroll down to the Affiliate filter. Click the Affiliations filter to show the list of affiliations for author or organization. You can select multiple entries. For some organizations, it is easier to use the advanced search, so it will cover all ways a company is listed. Click the Advance button to access more detailed search settings and options. Click the Author Affiliation filter to specify search results by the author's organizational association. You can choose to either include or exclude a term. Enter the search term and then hit Search to complete the process. Your search results will show only documents produced by individuals associated with the organization in the search term.